The market constantly misprices true value, distracting investors with fleeting trends while genuine opportunities quietly mature. Today, I'm sharing the 5 most undervalued growth stocks that smart money is quietly accumulating and a critical data analysis that will reveal the full scope of their undervaluation. Let's dive in. Our first pick is DoubleVerify Holdings, Inc., ticker DV. This company is a global leader in digital media measurement, data, and analytics, ensuring advertising quality and campaign performance for brands worldwide. DV reported an impressive 14% revenue growth for full year 2025, hitting $748 million, backed by a robust 33% adjusted EBITDA margin and $173 million in free cash flow. Despite a slight Q4 2025 revenue miss due to retail sector pullbacks, DV showcased operational resilience with a 38% Q4 EBITDA margin. Their customer retention is stellar, 109% net revenue retention and over 95% gross revenue retention, processing a staggering 9.5 trillion ad transactions annually. The growth catalysts are profound. Social activations soared 60% year-over-year in Q4, and CTV measurement volumes surged 33% for the full year. Emerging products like Meta Pre-Bid and Authentic Advantage on YouTube are already hitting an $8 million run rate each, and are projected to become $100+ million opportunities as they scale. Management's confidence is clear with a $300 million share buyback, the largest in company history. While 2026 revenue growth is guided to a more conservative 8 to 10%, DV is strategically positioned in high-growth areas, including social, CTV, and emerging AI advertising platforms like ChatGPT, which management sees as a gateway into the $400 billion search market. With a debt-free balance sheet, $260 million in cash, and improving operational efficiency through AI, DoubleVerify boasts an astounding 60% upside potential, making it a powerful, overlooked growth engine. At number 2, Supermicrocomputer, Inc., ticker SMCI. Based in San Jose, California, SMCI is a provider of high-performance, high-efficiency server and storage solutions, specializing in the AI-optimized infrastructure critical for data centers, enterprises, and cloud computing. SMCI's Q2 FY26 results were nothing short of spectacular. Revenues soared to $12.7 billion, up 123% year-over-year, smashing analyst expectations by nearly 22%. Non-generally accepted accounting principles, EPS, also crushed forecasts by over 40%. The company aggressively raised its full-year FY26 revenue guidance to at least $40 billion, up from a previous $36 billion, igniting investor excitement for sustained AI server demand. SMCI's strategic alliances with NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel position it perfectly for the next generation of AI platform transitions. Its data center building block solution is gaining significant traction, projected to double its profit contribution by year-end 2026. However, it's critical to acknowledge margin pressure, with gross margins declining to 6.4% due to customer mix shifts towards large model builders and supply chain costs. Customer concentration, with one client accounting for 63% of Q2 revenue, is a notable risk. Despite negative operating cash flow in Q2, SMCI maintains a robust $4.1 billion cash position and has secured over $5 billion in credit facilities to fuel its aggressive growth. With forward PE ratios of 12.36 FY26 and 9.03 FY27, this stock trades at a compelling discount relative to its explosive growth, representing a 22.9% implied upside from current levels. Our third pick is Orla Mining Limited, ticker ORLA. This gold producer, primarily operating in Mexico and Canada, Orla achieved an all-time high of $15.10 in January 2026, delivering an eye-popping 168.95% one-year price return and a 145.83% revenue growth over the last 12 months. Currently trading at $17.10, with a fair value estimate of $21.31, the upside is clear. Their Camino Rojo oxide mine in Mexico boasts industry-leading efficiency with all-in sustaining costs of just $845 per ounce. The strategic acquisition of the Musselwhite mine in Canada is set to more than double annual gold production to 340,000 to 360,000 ounces by 2026, with an ambitious target of 500,000 ounces by 2028. Orla's financial health is rated great, backed by an impressive 11% free cash flow yield and consistent profitability. The company even initiated its first dividend in 2026, a strong sign of maturity. Analyst consensus is robust, with EPS projected to jump from 95 cents in FY 2025 to $1.65 in FY 2026. While geopolitical risks in Mexico and legal challenges in Panama, Cerro Quema project, present headwinds, the company's moderate debt and powerful cash flow generation, coupled with a remarkably low PEG ratio of 0.05, scream undervaluation. With a 23.8% implied upside from current levels, Orla Mining is a golden opportunity. Next, Opera Limited, ticker OPRA, the Norway-headquartered browser and technology innovator. The company's Q4 2025 results were a mixed bag on the surface, with EPS beating estimates by 16.67%, but revenue falling short. However, a deeper look reveals full-year 2025 revenue hit $615 million, a robust 28% year-over-year increase, and adjusted EBITDA of $143 million at a healthy 23.2% margin. The market reacted decisively, with shares surging over 14% pre-market after Opera announced a massive $300 million share buyback, representing over 25% of its market cap. This signals profound management confidence in their cash generation. Opera's growth narrative is compelling, with Q1 2026 revenue guided to 18 to 21% growth and full-year 2026 revenue targeted at $720 to $735 million. Advertising revenue is exploding, up 25% year-over-year, driven by e-commerce, and their Opera Ads platform handles 12 million queries per second. Monthly active users reached 284 million, with high-value Western ARPU growing 26% in Q4 2025. Critically, their MiniPay fintech platform now has 13 million activated wallets and 390 million cumulative transactions, poised for global expansion. While dependence on Google and intense competition pose risks, Opera's attractive PE of 12.48 and a forward PE of 10.74 suggests substantial undervaluation compared to its $25.64 median analyst target. Finally, Supergroup, ticker SGHC, a global powerhouse in online sports betting and gaming, operating acclaimed brands like Betway and Spin Casino across multiple continents. This is a financially robust company boasting a 9 out of 10 profitability rating and an 8 out of 10 cash flow generation score. SGHC crushed FY 25 expectations with revenue hitting $2.34 billion, marking a staggering 50.5% growth over the last 12 months, and adjusted EBITDA comfortably above consensus. The stock's momentum is undeniable, with a 69% one-year gain, currently trading at $10.88, well within its 52-week range. What truly stands out is its debt-free balance sheet, where liquid assets comfortably exceed short-term obligations, demonstrating exceptional financial stability. Management's 2026 guidance already surpasses consensus, forecasting double-digit revenue growth and expanding margins, driven by strategic expansion in Africa, a strong recovery in Nigeria, and the integration of Apricot. They even reported record highs in monthly active customers and deposits in Q4 2025, signaling robust engagement. While the looming UK tax increase in April 2026 is a headwind, the company's valuation remains compelling, with analysts seeing significant upside to a median target of $17.38. Benchmark even designated SGHC as a best idea for 2026, backing its shareholder-friendly special dividend of 25 cents per share. SGHC is a pure-play growth story with solid fundamentals. Now, let's look at the hard numbers side by side. Starting from market capitalization, ranging from Opera's agile $1.3 billion to Supermicrocomputer's $18.46 billion, signaling diverse stages of growth and market presence. When it comes to revenue, Supermicrocomputer pulled in a massive $28.05 billion. Supergroup and Orla Mining also show significant revenue streams, around $2 billion and $772 million respectively. However, DoubleVerify and Opera, while smaller, are demonstrating potent growth. Gross margin tells an equally compelling story about operational efficiency. DoubleVerify leads with an exceptional 82.2% gross margin, while Orla Mining maintains a strong 65.6%. Opera and Supergroup also boast healthy margins in the 51% range, indicating solid profitability. Supermicrocomputer, by contrast, shows a leaner 8.0% gross margin, which, while lower, is expected for a hardware-intensive business and has been a point of investor concern. Finally, let's look at profitability per share. Opera stands out with a robust $1.21 EPS, followed by Supergroup at 46 cents and Double Verify at 31 cents, all indicative of healthy, growing businesses. Orla Mining at 17 cents also shows positive earnings. Supermicrocomputer's $1.46 EPS, while positive, needs to be considered in context of its scale and recent margin pressures, which management is actively addressing. Interestingly, both Opera and Supergroup offer compelling dividend yields of 5.4% and 4.2% respectively, returning significant value to shareholders, while Double Verify and Supermicrocomputer prioritize reinvestment for aggressive growth, choosing not to pay dividends. So these are 5 undervalued growth stocks, each presenting a unique opportunity for discerning investors. Which of these 5 undervalued growth powerhouses do you believe has the most explosive upside potential, and why? Drop your insights, predictions in the comments section below. And don't miss our video right here on 6 top penny stocks with massive gains potential.